Hello, people. Have a beautiful Sunday and welcome to Manase Manase. இன்னைக்கு வந்துட்டு a couple of questionsக்கு நான் வந்துட்டு பேச போகிறேன். There are few questions that has come in my inbox and I've selected only 3 questions for which I'm going to try to give some inputs on it. ஒன்று வந்துட்டு டெத்துக்கு கவுன்சிலிங் இருக்கான்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஒருத்தங்க இறந்துட்டாங்க, நம்ம ரொம்ப டியர் லவ்ட் ஒன்னை நம்ம இழந்துட்டோம், அதுக்கு கவுன்சிலிங் இருக்கான்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. நம்ம புரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டிய விஷயம் என்னென்னா, இப்போது இமீடியட்டாக அந்த பர்டிகுலர் வீக், அந்த பர்டிகுலர் டே நம்ம கவுன்சிலிங் கொடுக்க முடியாது. அது வந்துட்டு காம்பன்சேட் பண்ண முடியாத ஒரு லாஸ். Your loved one, suddenly he or she is not there, whatever the relationship may be, you cannot go advise them, you cannot talk just for the sake of talking, because it is a bundle of emotion and that pain only that person will know who has lost. So immediate அந்த வீக் அன்னைக்கு அப்போவே போய் ஆறுதல்லாம் நம்ம கவுன்சிலிங்லாம் பண்ண முடியாது. டெஃபினட்டாக ஆறுதலாக நம்ம கூட இருக்கலாம். we just have to stand by them, we just have to be with them physically, because it is a very deep emotion and just like that it will not change. And the bereavement ன்னு சொல்லுவோம், ஒரு intensified grief stages அவங்க go through பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க. Maybe after a week's time, maybe after a month's time, you can definitely give them guidance as how to overcome and how to manage, but immediately that moment it is very very difficult. So once you lose your loved one, don't try to go advise them. It is a very deep emotion, but maybe after a week's time, after a month's time, you should definitely give lot of guidance, because that itself cannot keep prolonging. Okay, so immediately we trying to advise them is not correct. Death is a very painful process for the person who are living and seeing all that, witnessing all that. Sometimes manasu kalla kuda maaridu avangalukku, so we need to handle it very carefully. Don't immediately think of advising and counseling them immediately. After a few months, after few stages of weeks, maybe we can talk to them. Second question, child sexual abuse கேர்ள்ஸ்க்கு மட்டும்தான் இருக்கான்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. டெஃபினெட்லி நோ. பாய்ஸ் கிட்ஸ் ஆல்சோ கோ த்ரூ sexual abuses. So whenever you're training your kids on good touch and bad touch, please put boys also into the list. They also get victimized. சின்ன குழந்தைங்களை வந்துட்டு ரொம்ப ஹராஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. So I repeat, இது ஆல்ரெடி ஒரு வீடியோ நான் பண்ணியிருக்கேன், but I repeat, don't give your kids to strangers, don't give your kids to a untrustworthy family member, don't allow them to touch your kids unnecessarily. Their body language will give you an indication. So the question is like, boys kids also having victimized for child sexual abuse? Yes, boys also, you need to handle them with care, you need to take care of them a lot. Next question about singles. Singles வந்துட்டு they are always bullied, okay, saying that, or they have always given connotation, what responsibilities you have, you're all free, this that. But in reality, singles also have a lot of responsibilities, unaccountable, unsaid responsibilities நிறைய இருக்கும். அவங்க பண்ணுறதெல்லாம் கணக்குக்கு வரவே வராது, because they are single. ஸோ அவங்களோட emotional damages நம்மளா கொடுக்கக்கூடாது by using negative statements. Singles are bullied. How to handle this ன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So how do you handle this is number one, first important thing, you know what exactly you're doing towards the family. Okay, I told you, unaccountable, அன்செட் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டிஸ் நிறைய இருக்கும். கணக்கு இல்லாமல் அவங்க நிறைய பண்ணிகிட்டே இருப்பாங்க. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் நீங்கள் வந்து எவ்வளோ இமோஷன்ஸ் கொடுக்குறீங்க, ஹவு மச் யூ ஆர் இன்வால்வ்ட், ஹவு மச் you are ready to share with your family members. So first you should have a self regard for yourself. That is very important. Otherwise, for anybody's and everybody's comment, you will just fall for it. Number two, you have no control over the statements what others are making. I repeat, we have no control over the statement what others are making. The only control what we have is within us. We should know who we are. Nobody is deciding to be singles. Certain life factors are taking them to a particular path, but that's okay. That's all a personal thing. So you need to be really strong enough to not entertain those comments. So these are the 3 questions that was in the inbox. I thought I should share, and they wanted me to put a program on it. So have a beautiful Sunday and lead a healthy life. Bye bye.